Good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, Miss. My name is Najwa Dynasty. I am a college student who is interested in customer service and the cafe industry. I am a friendly, responsible, and hardworking person. I like learning new things and working with a team.
Alright, thank you for introduction. Seeing yourself, you seem enthusiastic. What do you know about our coffee shop?
From what I know, this cafe shop is popular among young people because it has a comfortable atmosphere, good service, and quality drinks. I also see that this cafe is active on social media and has many loyal customers.
That's good. I'm happy you already know a little about our coffee. And then, why do you want to work as a barista here?
I want to work here because I am interested in the cafe industry and I enjoy interacting with customers. I believe this cafe can help me improve my communication skill, teamwork, and experience in customer service.
Okay, nice answer. Having passion and willingness to learn is important for us. What are your strengths and weaknesses in customer service?
My strength is that I'm patient and friendly when serving customers. I also try to stay calm in difficult situations. My weakness is that sometimes I overthinking when making mistakes, but I always try to learn and improve myself.
I understand it's good that you are aware of your weakness and willing to improve it. But where do you see yourself in 5 years, especially in the coffee industry?
In 5 years, I hope I can become more experienced in the coffee industry, improve my barista skills, and maybe become a supervisor or someone who can help train new staff.
That's like a good career goal. We appreciate people who want to grow with the company. What is your greatest achievement related to teamwork or service?
One of my greatest achievements was when I worked on a group project in college. My team had different opinions, but I helped communicate with everyone and we complete the project successfully together.
Okay, teamwork and communication are very important in this job, yeah. What are your salary expectations?
I hope to receive a salary according to the company standard and my responsibilities. However, for me, experience and opportunities to learn are also very important.
Oh, that's personal answer. Thank you for being flexible. Are you willing to work in shift, weekends, or and holidays?
Yes, I'm willing to work in shifts, weekends, and holidays if needed.
Okay, good. Flexibility is important in the food and beverage industry. Tell me about a difficult situation with the customer and how you handle it.
Once, during an organization event, someone complained because of a misunderstanding about the schedule. I listened calmly, apologized politely, and tried to explain the situation clearly. After discussing it properly, the problem was solved and the person understood the situation.
Very good. Stay calm and polite is the key when dealing with customers. Alright, thank you for coming today. We will contact you again after the interview process is finished.
Thank you, Miss, for the opportunity.